has to start soon. Go. I'm worried. I hope she's okay. It's her own.
Oh, it's all fun and games until she wins the blankie, huh? What does she have? She have your blankie? Well, get it. Go get it. Tell her no mouth.
Yes, I'm just a preacher. She has a woman after my own heart. All right, Mom, we are going to give you 5 more minutes.
Tell her, say, that's my blankie, Mo. Tell her, say, my blankie. How do you get it from her? Yeah, the blanket, right. But how do you get it from her? Where do you tap her on the nose? Uh-oh, she's taking off with it. Mo, that is not yours. Be nice, Mason. Oh, she took it again? Well, you gotta keep putting it near her mouth. No mouth, Mo. Hey. Better let go of her tail.
Someone's here to see you. Hello, Jamie. What are you doing here?
Don't mess with the blankie.